What is going on, everyone? It's Dalton with Inland Angling. We're out here today. It is the dog days of summer. It's absolutely the smack dab middle of August, and I'm feeling it. To be honest, it has been pretty much a struggle lately. I've been out the last 3 times and have not got a video. So I scouted this area today. I did see some pods of loose fish kind of roaming this weed flat. It is shallow and we do have flat, calm, bluebird conditions. So we'll see how these fish want to play. Stick with me. Let's find out if we get them. There's one. Pinned her to bottom. Okay. Well, boy, did he inhale that. Holy smokes. Just a little guy to get the day started here. There we go. Better than nothing. Get him back. There's one. Okay. Another one. All right. Well, they're liking the swim bait this morning. Here we go. Oh boy, he's got her down. Good deal. We'll get him in the back of the boat here. And he's in the boat. All right, all right. Chill out, partner. All right, there we go. Not a bad way to kick off the day. Kind of a short guy, but that's okay. He bit that plastic again. That is definitely my go-to. Just every day I start out jigging. It just, plastic's my confidence bait. There we go. Yeah, on the straight retrieve. All right. Feels like a decent fish. Oh yeah, feisty in this shallow water. Really pale one. Boy, he wanted it though. He come up and just engulfed it. Look at this thing here. Down she goes. That's how you want them to eat it, all the way down to the leader. I can't even barely see my jig. All right, off he comes. Let's get him back. Not a giant fish, but he clocked it. Here's one. Yes. Just switched up from the paddle tail to the old split tail. Oh, another confidence bait for me. I got these loose pods on this shallow flat that are just flying around. Oh boy. Give me a run for my money. Where are we going, buddy? Get up here. Put the scoop on him here. All right, fish in the boat. Oh, that's a nice one. Chowed that split tail. That is a 3-inch mini jerk minnow, and that thing is just dynamite. Looky here, nice. Got a respectable one. I found these fish up shallow, and usually if they're up shallow, they're up here for one reason, and that's to eat. So there we go, beautiful fish. All right, so I'll give you guys a quick little rundown of my setup today, what I'm using, what's actually being effective. I am usually always 9 times out of 10 running this St. Croix Legend tournament. This just so happens to be a 7-foot MLF, which stands for medium light fast. That is my favorite action pretty much for any application. For my jigging sticks, I got 2 of them lined up on the deck here. And usually I'm just keeping one tied up with a swim bait and one tied up with a split tail. And my favorite split tails would be these 3-inch Kalen jerk minnows. These are the mini jerk minnows. Those seem to be effective. And then this was, well, I had a pike to it, just an absolute number on it. This was a Rapala Crush City Mayor. This is actually my first time using it, and it seemed to be the ticket today. So I seem to have more luck and better success today with the swim bait, for the simple fact that where I found these fish was in like a 6 to 8 foot weed bed, but they were scattered throughout it. So they were cruising around, just flying around the whole thing, not staying put in small pods of 2 to 4. And so covering a lot of water, ripping a swim bait through it, or just straight retrieving it through it, seemed to be the ticket. I did slow down and get a couple nice fish on the split tail, but that was my pattern today. That's what worked. Quick little rundown of my reel. I actually forgot to mention I am running a Shimano Vanford. This is the 2500 on this reel. I actually have a Pissy Fun Carbon X2 on my other reel, which is a 2000 size. I'm always, at 99% of my time, running a Sufix performance braid. This is the Sufix 832 performance braid down to a 10-pound fluorocarbon leader. I'm also running the 1/4 ounce neon Mooneye jigs for this depth of water. Seem to be very effective. Here's one on the paddle tail. Okay. All right. Kind of just switching back and forth between the two. These fish are pretty scattered and pretty fussy, but we are grinding them out here. Oh yeah, gonna be a nice one. Nice fish. Got it right in the top of the mouth, right where he should be. Beautiful walleye there. Probably that 16, 17, gorgeous fish. He whacked that plastic. Wonderful. Wow, that was bizarre. I think he had it for a while. Must have hit it on the way down. Back on the old Rapala Crush City. This is the Crush City Mayor, I believe. Wow, that is pretty chunky sized swim bait too, and he liked it. I didn't even know I had him on for a sec. Decent little guy, nothing crazy. We're grinding it out. There's one. Okay. Ooh. Just kind of put the trolling motor on 3 and just kind of fan cast it around. And here comes a Walter. Jeez. That's that Crush City plastic again. Boy, I'm not getting many, but when they are eating it, they are full committing. There we go, probably another legal fish. Nice one there, nice specimen, standing up tall. Let's get him back. There he is, right there. Boy, he crunched it. Nice, nice, nice. Jeez. Fish are kind of spread out down this weed flat, but that straight retrieve seems to be getting it done. All right, there we go. It's another one. Chill out, buddy. Chill out. I know. Wow, does he got that just inhaled? Let me show you guys this quick. I don't know if you can see that bait at all because I basically can't. See if I get him to open his mouth quick. Jeez, it is gone. Oh, there we go. Chunky, chunky fish. Had to do some surgery to get that out of there, and he is all perked up and beautiful. All right, buddy, here we go. Here's one. Kind of, I didn't even feel him really. Just kind of picked up on it. All right, here we go. On the swim bait again. Hoist. Not a horrible fish. Here we go, another chunky little guy. Let's get him back. Ooh, that one hit it hard. Man. Well, I might have a little bite window going here. The guys behind me just picked up a couple. I just got cracked. Okay. Nice fish. Nothing huge. Fun. Fun in shallow water. Oh, it's just be cooked. Scoop them quick. I definitely didn't need to scoop them, but we did. There we go. We are making it happen out here. It is flat, calm. Jeez. Oh, man. He clunked it right away. All right, straight retrieve's taking him, hopping it's taking him. He's got some better head shakes. Is he gonna be a little better maybe? Oh, nice fish. See if we can't lose him yet. There we go, quick release. There he is. Yep. I knew I had one there. Get out of the weeds, buddy. He's got her down the hatch. Yes, very good. Once again, definitely not the biggest, but he's probably close to 15. I bet you that's a legal fish. He's tall and perky. There we go. Let's get him back. Oh, that one hit it on the fall. Must have landed it right in his pie hole. All right, we take those. We take those. It's on just a bomb cast too. Come here, pal. Get a look at you here. Oh, it's gonna be a nice fish. Scoop him up here and show him off. There we go. Another legal fish. That's a nice one there. He's probably 15 and a half, 16. Call him the old Wisconsin wall hanger, is what you call him. Luckiest fish in the Northwoods. All right, you guys, I'm gonna call it a wrap on this little mid-morning mission. It is the heat of summer. These are the dog days. It is the middle of August. And if I had to describe the day in one word, I would say it was a grind. It was tough, but we stuck with it. We stuck with our confidence baits and our confidence areas, places we were seeing fish, and we ground out probably 3 to 5 nice legal fish, which up here in the Northwoods, that's basically all you can ask for. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Stay tuned for more content.